Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and we're demonstrating today an AM 8-track out of a 70 Charger. It's now an AM/FM 8-track. It's had a conversion done to it. This comes from Dan in Kent, Washington. And one thing I need to point out about this particular model is all these thumb wheel models, the thumb wheel controls, a lot of them are pretty touchy anymore. They weren't made nearly as well as the rotary type controls. They've got a lot of wear on them. On this particular unit, the on-off switch that's built into the volume control is bad, so I had no choice but to replace it with a panel-mounted toggle switch, and then now I've got a spare volume control, but it's got the same problem. The on-off switch doesn't work, and the control's a little bit scratchy. And then another thing is this right here inside is your combination push to chain tracks and pull to eject switch. These are going bad as well. Both of these parts are no longer available. You can only find them on a similar unit, and they're probably going to be in the same 50-year-old condition as these. So I'm not sure what we're going to end up doing on this as the problem continues to worsen. In all likelihood, I'll end up putting a track change button below the toggle switch when this thing finally goes out for good, which is just a matter of time. This is not a situation that improves with age. So obviously, most of my job these days is coming up with solutions to parts that are no longer available, and this was the best I could do. I certainly cannot invent a replacement thumb wheel control. So all that being said, I've got it set to FM at the moment. I'm just going to run through the stations. I got them all preset to stations in my area so that we don't spend too much time on any one station and get nailed for copyright issues. So let's go ahead and turn it on. And
it takes someone special to become a Maricopa County Sheriff's Detention Officer. Someone dedicated to a strong...
Okay, just going to run down the FM band with the presets.
I'm Maricopa County Sheriff.
En un momento continuamos en...
per year, and up to $1,500.
Okay, now we're going to switch to AM, which you do by turning it off and then right back on within about half a second. So off, on. Now we're on AM, and we get one strong station around the middle.
Units the same day, with lines of credit up to $100,000 and term loans up to $250,000.
Okay, there's our strong AM station. Let's test our balance and fader controls. Got our original balance control all the way right, left, right, left. Okay, now we're going to activate the front rear fader. Do that by turning our tone control twice upwards on this now.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now the same control is adjusting your front rear speaker balance all the way front, all the way rear, front, rear. Okay, I'm going to center that. Fader set. Okay, let's try the 8-track. Don't need these anymore. Oh yeah, and on another thing on this switch, once you pull to eject the tape, you have to push it in once to get it to accept the tape, and I'll demonstrate that. You're going to change tracks a bunch of times. Okay, I'm going to eject the tape.
We are professional.
I'm going to turn this down for a moment. Now, I didn't push this back in, so as a result, it won't take the tape. So we have to push this in once after we've pulled it out, and then it'll take a tape. So we'll eject the tape again.
They're well acquainted.
Going to push it in again to prep it for the next tape.
That's our business. You're not alone.
Okay, and that takes care of the unit. Let's make sure the dial light works.
A partner men can count on. Joseph Cordell.
And it does, so we're good there.
CordellCordell.com.
All righty, so that concludes the test. She's ready to go back. I'm sure the customer probably won't be happy about the the unauthentic look of the front panel mounted toggle switch, but there's just nothing else I can do. The original part's no longer available. We need a way to turn the radio off and on, so had to put a toggle switch there.
Check us out at 5.
So that's what we have to work with. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me. My phone number and website are in the description below. I do ask all customers to visit my website before calling me with a 15-minute series of questions about what all do you do, options, prices, turn times, and all that. Please get that information from my website before calling me. Then it'll be a much more pleasant and less stressed conversation. This customer may opt to purchase another unit and send me a replacement volume control for this, but you know they're all going to be the same age and probably roughly the same condition. So this is just a solution that I'm going to have to work on a little bit more and see if I can find a little bit better solution that's not quite so obtrusive, but for the moment this is the best I could do. So thanks for watching and listening, guys, and thank you, Dan, for your business from Kent, Washington, and we'll see you guys next time.